Hey guys, so I am going to show you real quick, it's super easy, how to find all of our rep visits for colleges that we're bringing in virtually to talk about their schools with you in Naviance. So we've signed into Naviance using our SSO. This is my demo static account, so it looks like yours. We're going to click on colleges. We're going to go to research colleges, hit the college visits tab. Oh, error. Let's try this again. Colleges, research colleges, college visits tab. There we go. And you'll see that I have all of these. These are actual visits I've scheduled. So like Baylor University, Texas A&M, San Antonio, Oklahoma City, they're all set up virtually. And these are with the actual reps that have been assigned to us. So I am going to go over here. I've already registered for Baylor as an example, and say I want to go to Texas A&M, San Antonio, and visit with that rep when they come. And they're coming on September the 8th at 10 o'clock a.m. I'm going to hit this register now button, and it automatically registers me. Get this verification, and you should receive an email as well, and then you'll get a reminder. And then you just sign on using the code that you get with your confirmation and on the day that it is, and then you show up and you ask some excellent questions and you get to know this person. It's super easy and super quick. So hope this was helpful. Thanks.